Okay, here I am on my iPhone XS Max. It's not a super large phone, but if you have small hands, it could give you a problem reaching everything if you're working everything one-handed. So I want to show you something. Watch my screen. See how that thing dropped down? And now if I were holding this phone with one hand, I could pretty much reach everything. Well, that's called reachability. And there is a setting that you can set on your phone and enact reachability. So if you'll tap General, tap again Accessibility, and then if you will scroll down, you will see Interaction, Reachability. You can see that I have that toggled on, and that gives you the ability to swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen, and that will make the top into reach. It's very helpful if you have small hands. So there you go. Hope this helps.